Hey, how is it going everyone? In today's video, we will be talking about basic data types, aka introduction to string. Strings are a sequence of character data. The string type in Python is called string. If you are coming from Java, you might notice that in Python there is no data type called char or character, but only string, where the value is single alphabet letter or a whole sentence. Now, let me open up my command line terminal and let's go to Python 3. Okay. Alright, now let's print some kind of message. Print, for example, I will smash the like button, right? I will smash the like button. Now, Python has a built-in function called type. It allows you to check the type of data you are working with. Okay, so let's type what we typed inside the print statement. Inside the parentheses, inside the quotes, I will smash the like button. Okay, it says string class, right? Now let's type another short statement or just an alphabet. So print A, yeah? Now let's check the type of A. What is A? Class, string. Or you can literally type anything else, for example, type 1, class integer, right? Or 1.0, now it's class float. Alright. Now, let's say you want to include a quote character as part of the string itself, right? So you want to print out your message. You want your message to look like this, right? So I will smash like button, yeah. But as you can see, it gives an error. It says invalid syntax. So what is happening right now is Python thinks it only wants to print this capital I because we opened the single quote, and it thinks the single quote is supposed to end here, but we have another one in here, right? So Python thinks Python wants to print anything in between the quotes, right? But the quote opened here and the second one, so this is the second one, meaning the ending one is finished here, but right after it we are followed, the quote is followed by other bunch of sentences, so that's why it doesn't understand. Now so easiest way around is to wrap your string not with single quotes but with double ones. Alright, so print inside the double quotes, I'm gonna type I will smash the like button. Now without any problem, without any error, it gives us the result that we wanted, right? Or we can do this the vice versa, right? For example, print inside the single quotes, I'm going to type inside the double quotes, best side YouTube channel. The best YouTube channel, right? So another useful way is to insert the escape character, yeah, that is known to you as / character, right? So as you can see in here, we get error. But if we do this, if we put this / character, we don't get any error, right? What is happening right now is that the / character, right, suppresses the actual meaning of what is followed by it, right? So that's why it is suppressing the actual meaning. The actual meaning of it was closing this first quote, yeah. So it's not closing the first quote, the actual meaning, yeah. it becomes just a raw string, and it prints out the rest of it until this quote, yeah, and this quote's actual meaning is to finish this first quote. Okay, now you might wonder how to actually print out the backslash character, right? The answer is simple. Just type it twice, right? For example, print, let's say you're gonna show your pass to something, right? Print my pass is inside the C disk, inside the downloads folder. Okay, and we have double HK characters. As you can see, my pass is in the C downloads. So similar thing, or opposite to the escape character, we have something called raw strings, which uses keyword capital R or small r. When raw string is used, sorry for my English, whatever you type within the print statement is spit out exactly as it is, right? So, for example, print, yeah, we say like, so the C directory, we say downloads, yeah, to show the path, but instead what we're gonna do here is just to put extra R and take with this, yeah, the results are the same, yeah. So if you're gonna have to use a lot of double backslash characters, you might feel comfortable just inserting this R row character and write as you wish. Okay, so now you have learned the most basics and of the string classes, and another part very important is commenting out, right? So in Python you can add comments using the hash character. For example, I'm going to say print hi, right? But I'm going to do like this one, and I say I do nothing, for example, and the result is the same. So the hash character, right, it turns whatever it follows by it after it into comment until the new line, right? The hash character on steroids is triple single or triple double quotes, wrapping the whole code or print statement. If you wrap your whole code with triple quotes, it comments out all of your code, meaning that your code does nothing. But if you wrap your print statement with triple quotes, it kind of looks like a row statement, except it accepts the backslash character, right? For example, as you can see here, if I say print, yeah, something, hello, yeah, you see it is colored. If I run this, it's gonna give me this hello, yeah? But, let me clear this out. But if I wrap it with triple quotes, yeah, now the color is changed, yeah? You can use this when you are testing out a chunk of your code. Okay, now let's learn how to manipulate strings, right? So we can split them, join them, or concatenate them. Whenever you want to split a sentence into words, use the dot split operator, right? This and dot split, yes. So, for example, let's see it in action. For example, I'm gonna instantiate a variable. My string is equal to I will smash like button. I will smash a like button. Now my string, let's split it. Let's split it. Okay. Now as you can see, our whole sentence is broken into the word chunks. I will smash the like button. So this was a splitting action in Python. But instead of just creating a new variable, preferably you can just type like this. I will smash the like button, and just right after it dot split. It does the same action, right? So now you know how to split. It is time to connect them or concatenate them. Okay, so I'm going to assign a new value to my string variable. I'm going to say I will smash. I will smash what? Yeah, what is the remaining of the variable, the sentence? So let's add I will smash the like button. So let's add. So and let's print it out, the newly manipulated string, my string variable. As you can see, I will smash the like button. It just made a new one sentence out of two sentences. Feels like they are glued together. But one thing you need to be careful is to consider adding extra spacing before concatenating sentences, because here's the smash and the is joined together. Now the opposite of dot split is to join, right? It's to join. So let's try to split a sentence. Again, my string is gonna be I will smash the like button. I will smash a like button, and my new string, I'm going to assign the splitted version of my string. Okay, my string dot split. Okay, let's check our new string. I will smash a like button. Right. Now let's make a new variable called join string, and let's put these things together. Yeah, let's redo it. It's going to be with space here. I'm going to join all the sentences. Join what? I'm going to join new string, and let me print out join. Yeah, everything is back in normal. I will smash the like button. If you give an attention, I put here extra space. Yeah, if you don't put here extra space, what's gonna happen is, yeah, it's gonna it's gonna join everything without any spacing. That's why you need to put here some space. You can put any other character string type, has to be, and it puts in between the words. Well, that is pretty much it for today. As I have mentioned about, this lesson was an introductory video tutorial for the string series of basic data types. So make sure you're subscribed so that you will be notified with the upcoming more advanced usages of string class. Thank you very much.
I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.